Assam government atung penisia lamdon ka tiktok doko kalau bangsa lamdon aku tha ni itu kata kami karbia society don kan itu bangsa asi mate isi bangsa lamdon bang tu asong tu akhaben bang ini samsip aku tha tu rata theno pachini pan pala bangsa lamti ipang dang ipang sip ne bangsa me hang isi tundak kisia samai tudolo so tasi karbia long ro saramai kakong pun bangolo Ngocali asong japo ame tu lakan potin bangolo kabin soting tu asong dolo lakan women justice forum dolo lakan kabi ronga saramai dolo so tasip kapre women justice forum masih kapre iya film society KY sipna asong dak dolo la sipnya temun kalo la do gawe aram tiap tak jadi itu si press note keselam dolo bangsa press note itu mai tu kisia samai tu kan so pangdak ko কোনো ইয়াত আজি আমি নিমন্ত্ৰণ মেইন কাৰণ হ'ল যে আমাৰ মাৰ্চ 15 তাৰিখ আমাৰ কুকি কমিউনিটি আৰু অসম গভৰ্ণমেণ্টৰ কিবা এটা চুক্তি হৈছে এই চুক্তিৰ বিষয়ে আমি আজি আমাৰ কাৰ্বি ছ'চাইটি সমাজৰ পৰা আমি এটা কণ্ডেম হিচাপত আমি এটা প্ৰেছ মিট আমি মতা হৈছে সকলোৱে প্ৰেছ বন্ধু অহাৰ কাৰণে আমি ধন্যবাদ দিছোঁ এইকাৰণে আমি এই প্ৰেছ মিট আৰম্ভ কৰিম
প্ৰথমে এটা কথা আমি ইংলিছতহে দেখিছোঁ আপোনালোকে কথা ধন্যবাদ
सीधा पक्के चले
So good morning everyone and media members, journalists and reporters. Thanks you all for your coming here. So now on behalf of various Karbi national organizations, I read out the press note. This is a joint press conference with the participation of national organizations comprising Karbi Society, Karbi Cultural Society, Karbi Lamet Ame, Karbi Student Association, Karbi Nimso Jingkurasong, Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum, Joint Action Committee for Autonomous State, Hills Tribal League, Karbi Anglong Rongasaramay, Karbi Rongasaramay, Rasinja Asong, all Karbi Student Union, Karbi Film Society, Puja, All Hills Leaders Conference, and many others. The objective is to present unified voice against certain provisions of the MOS, Memorandum of Settlement, signed between the government of Assam and the Kuki group on the 15th March 2026. The foremost objection is the manner in which the Karbi political leadership and Karbi civil society organizations have been totally ignored and kept under wraps during the process of the accord that involve Karbi Anglong land and its polity. We want to make it clear that Assam government cannot, should not, and should never represent Karbi tribe and land without their express consent explicitly. This domineering trend and attitude over Karbi tribe and land is condemnable, and we vehemently condemn it. And we will be vigorously resisted. We therefore oppose all the clauses of the Kuki group government accord which have reference to Karbi Anglong land and its polity, lock, stock, and barrel, and demand their immediate deletion from the MOS, failing which the Karbi people will be forced to launch strong democratic mass resistance against unjust policies. We have noted that in recent times, the state government leadership has been speaking and acting for Karbi Anglong land and its people, undermining the 6th schedule autonomy. We are peaceful people and wish to live peacefully. We assert and urge the government to stop acts of provocation in its pursuit of colonial ambitions and desist from creating unnecessary social tensions in Karbi Anglong. We call upon all the people of Karbi Anglong to remain alert against any form of conspiracies that may undermine the integrity of its land, the unity of its people, and the preservation of its political autonomy, and be prepared to take any challenges that may pose against us in future. On the other hand, the Singhason and Konbamon hills and their surrounding ranges can rightly be called the lungs of East Karbi Anglong, as they are the origins of all major rivers and rivulets that sustain life in the region. These hills play a vital role in maintaining ecological balance by supporting rich biodiversity, dense forests, and Kodoan. Sila bangkai itu Karbi Kayalong, Asong, Kay Kachinghon, Asong Kete Nene yang mong kapini Dagdolap lo, Karbi Utang Asong, Karbi Lamera Song, dan Cenglok, Karbi Lucori Asong, dan dak Karbi lo. Di mana asong doan ada doan lo, rongasar, Karbi rongasar, dan Cenglok, dak buja dolo, tuntang dolap lo, dak amen dak doan ini lah, lo. Sila bang ini tumlah kedamtang siklo lo, Mars Triforni, Tukia Group lapen, Assam Government ang bong, lo kacitok, Lamdon kacitok, labang itu citong untuk dekhe, usi cepak lang lo, athe bang ke, laso lo kacitok kalau proses ahu, Karbi Anglong leaders, bas social organization society kan, macam mana tempat sini pun pepin, nang itu ban, matu joy sila tum alu cetok ber. Solo kucing tok pena job kahin lo hetanji lahai kan lu Karbi Anglong long sel tu mangai kecirai fasi amen namun ta cir lap lo amen ta lar lap lo lapen latum hal suai reasi kan tu kabe nanon kebori lo kecirai fasi lain tum ceton de te la suang long Singhason le punon Konbamon le punon lagi itu apur kimo ta la dak sidolo itum Karbi pur kimo itum haditang jubat ke plan ke pi anda dah hidran lo Penang par, lang roy lang jeng itu nak Karbi Anglong, lah is Karbi Anglong lang roy ke tenai ang bong, dak sekisu kang bok sai delo, yang sila dak si bunit itu dam lo deh, seng tidak ada po, lah lang roy lang jeng ada kering lapo, mulai itu di tubian rom dah dak di wan lo, kosong si nyokok, kalau solang ada kering, sila bang itu, cedon untuk tek posisi ini, tu kabe, cedon sapen lah, pos lo lapen Assam Government tum hitame lain tum Karbi Anglong lapen Karbi Anglong aparman hat tum det cepat dari nang nengye tum daparet lapen lapu lamdon citaun tabre bangke mua pida lem kledet nangi pusi itu mata ini loh ate da bang itu sik schedule ateng pen duk be banyak tong mangai tum la tonsil long sing ya kong duk si tonsil ke ya tum pen ting wai pin by tum social organization tetan na song ben ang sini de pin dan kong kita paper mangke tum kita mete flora and fauna. The water sources that emerge from these hills do not only provide drinking water but also support agriculture, livelihoods, and the overall well-being of the people and animals. Moreover, this landscape hold deep cultural and ancestral significance for the Karbi community, making them more than just geographical features. Thus, we strongly oppose any attempt to extend the accord and distort it to these areas.
Amendment dong si limit lonte ukia kai pangstani sil ini council long MSC asit nanti kun nangji puskito lapen reservation donai puskito lapen clause 6 abang clause 6 one long bangke kacharbu 2023 4 laso kacharbu kekap kibi kece hula so ukia kai tuman aku kece bang tuli long lim tek nangi plus so ini ya plus long bang ngali dum jadi cedon dum de but baki bang do not highway
Kami tunggang non pen so cepat lang de bude nangcing ki di dalam anda tema nangcing ki kan kita pun tunggang lagi proses
2023 2024
tapi dulu kita udah mau hak masih proper regulation nangi pini kolam klang masih mana proper drive audit donai village audit donai lahir dari tunggu lagi wang pun rong nasi kimpo dak mesti kelang nih kali ini lagi screening pakap masih aku kan itu udah lagi program kita non ke wang cuma ke memang ke wang non lagi aso displacement kita memang lagi non ke wang kita lagi cak long di binu ke human activities, deforestation, and unregulated human settlement pose serious threats to this fragile ecosystem. Therefore, it is essential to ensure proper regulation, conservation efforts, and community participation to protect these hills for environmental sustainability, safeguarding cultural heritage and future of East Karbi Anglong. Itu our press note. Close 5 and close 6. Si Panggala.
Developmental schemes including close time.
Close 5 bang.
Yang waitang berat loh, langsung di Indonesia ni. Di Minister kan, dia ni Governor kan sudah ni. Yang waitang dulu.
Nona ni tu dah kau dia mau termasuk hasil pada pacini konten tu lah. Soalnya apa kan?